Hi all. Today we are discussing about the store procedure in SQL Server. What is meant by store? What is meant by store proc? Store proc is nothing but it's a pre-compiled query. It can execute the any DML operations like DML operations and DQ data correlating DQL operations also can able to do through store procedures. Store procedure it returns the singular table value functions as well as multiple table value functions. Store procs always returns the value. And now I will give some example on the store procedures. How to create the store procedure, how to drop the store procedure, how to execute the store procedure. These areas I will create. I will give the syntax for that thing. How to create the store procedure? Create store procedure is a create procedure 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 name. And how to execute the procedure? Ex is execute procedure name. And how to drop the procedure? Drop procedure name. These are the ways we can create the procedure and drop the procedure and execute the procedure. Suppose I want to get the procedure script. Watch how to get this stored procedure script. We can use the sp underscore help text. Call the procedure name. We can get it the procedure schema of the particular procedure details. Now, now I am discussing about the input parameters and output parameters. Suppose whenever creating the any procedure, we need to give the input parameters. We need to pass the parameter values. At the time, those parameters called as the input parameters. And what is meant by output parameter? Output parameter is nothing but whenever executing a procedure, some return set will be written from the particular procedure. At the time, we can call it as a output parameters. Now, output parameter. Now, I'm giving the procedure name. Create small example procedure. I'm swapping the record. Small example here. At the rate of name one int, sorry, varchar. This is the varchar data. It can allows the characters, string values. Set is this is input parameter. Second one is at the rate of name to varchar of 20. Now I'm setting the output parameter. How can I set the output parameter? At the name swap parameter value is varchar of 20 varchar of 20 no 40 output parameter out. Now as begin as a begin transaction and end. Now select at the rate of name spam is equal to at the rate of name one at the rate of and then name two. Okay. Now we can execute this procedure. The procedure has been executed and I want to show the records. How can I execute this procedure? exec execute procedure name swapping of records at the rate of name 1 equal to 1, sorry, name 1 is equal to Srinivas, comma at the rate of name 2 is equal to Vishwanath. Now at the rate of name swap equal to empty. This is output parameter. I did not declare anything. Just type creating executing procedure. Totally it records the Srinivas Vishwanath will be concatenation here from this position. Just see. Oh, sorry, I'm giving the procedure name is wrong. Oh, sorry, procedure name is wrong. Yes, swap here. Procedure name is swap. Sorry, swap not SWP. Here, name one, not a name one. Yeah, I'm executing now. See, what are the things I'm doing and what are the mistakes I'm doing. Clearly observed. Please observe clearly. See, now execute the command. Now, this is for select namespace. Now, this is execute the command. Select as namespace alter. Now, clearly observed. Now it returns the value. See, Srinivas and Vishwanath names it returns the value. Earlier, haven't why not is not written the value. Here we are concording the value. Select at the rate of namespace is equal name one plus name two concording, but we did not return the value. It acts like a set statement earlier. Now it acts like a, now whenever using the select namespace, it acts like a select statement. This is the way we can declare the input parameters and output parameters. Accordingly, we can build the logic in using the procedure. Now, I am creating another procedure that is for getting the record from table functions, from table values. See, create procedure get department as begin end. Select star from DPT. This is the table name from. Okay, now I'm executing this procedure. Now procedure has been executed and I'm want to execute this procedure. I want to retrieve the records from this particular procedure. AXEC department. Just they have did not give any input parameters out parameters. Simply return the value table department value. Create procedure. Now I'm executing again. Now select department. No, this is the invalid object name. Why it is invalid object name? Okay, we are in employer database, but this records in employee database. Now I want to move employee database. Use employee database. Just I'm executing the script only. Here. Yeah. Now I'm moving to the employee database here. Now I'm executing the script. I am getting the records from this particular table. Oh, I haven't created now earlier. I'm creating stored procedure. Earlier in the database I've created the stored procedure. In this database I have not created the stored procedure. Now I'm creating the stored procedure and I'm executing the procedure here. Now I'm getting the records. Srinivas Rao, salary, designation. This table having these are the records. Now I want to get the records from multiple tables. Select star from persons values departments departments departments. Now I'm executing the procedure. Alter the procedure now. I have altered the procedure. Now I'm fetching the records from the particular table. the procedure. I'm getting two records from this table. One table having this one, and this second table having this one. Now, in my I am want to join the two tables and how to get the records from the procedure. Those things I'm explaining now. I have a department table is there. Now I'm adding one record here. Insert department table, values of, what are the table values I need to add? ID. ID is the auto increment value. Name. Same name I'm adding here. Because I'm filtering the records based on the name value. Salary 45,000, 45K, and designation PMO, project manager. Now I'm executing the process. I'm executing the script. Now one table, one more table record has been saved here. See, executed. Okay. Now I want to get the records from these two tables based on the name value is Alok Kumar, equal name value from the Alok Kumar. Now I'm using selector star from department DEPT inner join departments PT on DEPT equal to name equal to DEPT dot name equal to DEPT DEPTM dot name. Now I'm already the procedure. I want to record. I want to get the records from the DEPT dot. I want records from the DEPT dot star. I'm getting the records from the particular table only. Department table records only. Now I'm altering the procedure. Now I have altered the procedure. I'm executing the procedure. Only one record I'm getting here. Only one record I'm getting here because I'm joining the records from these two tables based on the name value, name column value. Okay. Now I'm using the department as star means all the department table records I'm getting here. Now I want to record. I want to get the records from the department table name value, salary value, designation, as well as departments table name value, sal value, and one more column is there. That I want the record. I want to get that those department table name value, salary value, and one more record column is there. That is just I'm using directly value also. One more column value is that I'm not. That is the column star from departments. I want to get that column value also. See, I'm getting it. Name value designation also from the these two tables. How can I get it? I'm getting from the I'm using this one DP T dot star. Now I'm altering the procedure here. Now I'm executing procedure. Now I'm getting the two tables records. ID name sal from the department DPT table. Name sal designation is also coming from this department table. I'm fetching these two tables from the join using the joins. Now I want to merge these two tables based on the union. You can see union. Selected. Now clearly observed. Select star from tables. See, clearly observed. Yeah, now earlier I am using I have changed the procedure accordingly. Select a department from the department table, select a department name from the department's DPT table name. I'm creating this using the union statement. If you can see, I have commented this code for time being. I'm using this one. Select star from DEPT union selector star from departments. And see, I'm executing this procedure. Now I'm getting this. I'm checking this one because error converted data type is varchar to numeric is issue came. Why it came? Select star from department as the one type of column names. ID name cell designation. This is different data type declarations. This is what are the data type field types? See, SP underscore alt F1. Sorry. SP underscore alt text. See. This is also not working. Script is where is the table? Yeah. Okay. Design. This is an integer. The salary is numeric here. From this department table, salary is numeric. ID sal. Both are the table having same value, but the order of the column is different. This is last one is ID. Second one is this is first one. First record is this is first record is ID, and the department table first record is ID is first record. That is the reason we are getting the issue here. Now I want to fix that issue. How can I fix that issue here? See, now I want to fix that issue here. How can I fix that issue? Just I'm giving the field values here. Dept dot id, dept dot sal, dept dot designation. Now I'm come now here. De, departments dot id, department dot sal, department dot designation. Now I'm executing this page. See, now I'm oh sorry, that is not a problem. Okay. I'm executing the procedure. Now I execute the procedure and create the alter the procedure and I'm executing the procedure. EXCC. Now it is a vertical merging. Earlier it is a horizontal merging. Horizontal merging, vertical merging means all the records coming from one by one. This is nothing but vertical merging. Now if you can work with joints, that is completely horizontal merging. Horizontal merging means records getting from horizontal way. It means in this way. Two tables records and one more tables records coming from here. It's a horizontal matching. If you can work with the joints, if you can work with unions, that is for vertical matching. I'm giving the I will show that difference now. I'm using the joints now. Create procedure get horizontal for C RE. Okay, and from DEPDT inner join, its inner join is joining the match records. Inner on departments on DEPT dot name equal to department dot name. I want to get the records. I want to get all the records, sir. No, no. I want to get the all the records. Just star, comma dept dot star. I'm altering the processor. Oh, sorry, this is the processor. No, new processor. I'm using a creator. No, inner chain is error. Sorry. Not record this one. Yeah. Now procedure has been executed. I'm executing. I'm create the procedure. Now I'm executing the procedure. This is the ID name. All the records coming from ID shall name coming from here. On see vertical merging coming here. Vertical merging. Only vertical records has been stored here. Its record ID name shall from the first table. Designation is coming. These four columns coming from first table, and this four column coming from second table. This is the vertical merging. This is sorry. This is the horizontal merging. Whenever working with join, it is a horizontal merging. Whenever working with unions, that is completely vertical merging. This is for vertical merging. This is the way we can create the procedures and all these things. Now I will give some more functions. I will give. So in this is the one type of procedure. Just from background of the stored procedure. Here, whenever creating the stored procedure, if you get any error, you can check it accordingly. If you at the rate error is equal to 0, it reduces the value. You did not get any value. If you did not get else, if you did not get any error, it reduces the value. This kind of things. If we can how we can check these things, this can use the at the rate error. That is for processor level error issue can be coming. We can use accordingly, and we can use one more thing. We can use the try catch blocks also. We can use the try begin. This will begin and end catch begin end. You can write the logic here exception all these things. Exception can be written here. This is the cache block. And accordingly, we can write the cache type block for the store process. Now, one more time I'm explaining the what is meant by store budget. Store budget is nothing but it's a pre-compiled query. You can execute the DML operations, DDL operations, DQL operations also. If you want to drop the store procedure, we can use the drop procedure name. If you want to execute the procedure, execute procedure name. If you want to create the procedure name, create procedure name, and parameters. Pass the parameters and retrieve the table value. Retrieve the table value functions and all these things. And what are the advantage of store procedure? Store procedure is the advantage of store procedure is a pre-compiled query. Okay, we can use the we can use the stored procedures also as a catchy level operations can we use the stored procedures. Suppose if we can create the stored procedure, those procedure functions will be stored in future also. We can pass those values into the future also, and it's we can specify the you can specify the permission level also. We can enable to store procedures, and store procedure containing the input and output of parameters. How to call the input and output parameters, how to return the statement, how to fetch the details. Those things also I already am explaining, and and already I'm explaining. And what are the how to return the try catch blocks and also I'm explaining. These are the things we can using the store process. And what are the drawbacks of the store process? So earlier I told you that procedure has been executed clearly. the procedure has been executed. But whenever running the executing the procedure, at the time we are getting the error. Some earlier we told we observed that one, like this one, swapping the records, allowing the records. These are the things. Whenever we are executing the procedure, at the time we are getting the error values. Um, these are the things coming in under the stored procedures. Thank you.